Is there a magic window of time when we should start?
Potty learning families, we hear you. For potty learning to really work, you have to get your child on board. The Potty Learning Course Pack has everything you need to make this experience effective and positive for you and your child. The best part is that this child-led approach, it really works. This course pack gives your child their own books and routine tools so they can tap into that powerful intrinsic motivation. We've done our own research to test the two most popular approaches with Lovevery families to give you a feasible and realistic plan. The parent guide is your go-to reference and even includes scripts to get everyone on the same page. If you're looking for a positive, effective, and child-led approach to potty learning with tools to support both you and your child, the Potty Learning Course Pack is for you. You can start today whether you're planning ahead or you've had some stops and starts or you're in the middle of potty learning. We are here to make sure you all succeed.